Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you that this should put you in a better mood. That's right, this is something that I'm going to tell you. It's going to be a little quick, simple rant, and it should hopefully put you in a much better mood. If you are not in the greatest mood, this should help you out. Even if you are in a great mood, this should help you get in an even better mood. Okay, it should improve your mood quickly. So I'm going to try and keep this video really short and sweet, but it is simply to let you know that you are so lucky in so many different ways. And you should be grateful and thankful for that. You are lucky to be a human. You are lucky to be here on this earth. You are lucky to be alive. You are lucky to be you. You are lucky to have this beautiful nature surrounding you. You are lucky to have, your eyes that can see, your ears that can hear, your nose that can smell, your mouth that can taste, your fingers that can touch. You're lucky to have your senses. You're lucky to have family. You're lucky to have friends. You're lucky to have maybe a spouse. You're lucky to have maybe kids. You're lucky to have everything. Okay? Whenever you feel like you are in a bad position, there's always someone that has it worse than you, okay? And that should put it into perspective. Whenever I think I have it bad, because trust me, even me, I'm Mr. Positivity, Mr. Optimistic, okay? Mr. Great, always great. But even me, I'm like, man, sometimes it just hits me and I'm like in a bad mood. And then I realize that someone always has it worse than me. And not someone, probably millions of people, tens of millions, 1 billion people probably, billions of people, to be honest with you, probably have it much worse than me, even when I'm complaining about my worst case scenario. Okay? We are all lucky. And yes, maybe when I was saying you're lucky, this and that, maybe not all of them apply to you. Okay? Maybe you don't have all your senses. Maybe you don't have a spouse. Maybe you don't have kids. Maybe you don't have family. Maybe you don't have friends. I get it. But you have to have, out of all those things I listed, chances are you're going to have most of them at least. Okay? So with that being said, you are still lucky, even if you're missing some of those. So that's what it's all about. Realize how lucky you are and be grateful and thankful for being allowed to be that lucky. Because trust me, it could always be worse. You're lucky, okay? You're lucky, and the moment you understand that, your mood's gonna improve, plain and simple. And that's it. That is literally it. That's all I wanted to say. I've got nothing else to say other than I hope that you've enjoyed the video. So with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro for this video. So without further ado, here is the official outro for this specific video. So I have said that enough. I'm not going to say it again. Here is the actual outro for this video. So yeah, I'm going to roll the outro. And I know I keep saying it, but for real, here is the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.